Withdrawing money from your Uber account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your driver account to access your earnings. Step 2. Access your earnings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Earnings to view your total earnings and available balance. Step 3. Choose Withdraw option. Look for the option to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as cash out or withdraw. Tap on this option to proceed to the withdrawal process. Step 4. Select your bank account. If you have multiple bank accounts linked, choose the one you want to transfer the money to. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to add one by entering your bank details. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, then confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification once the transfer is initiated, and the funds will typically appear in your bank account within a few business days. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw your earnings from Uber to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Uber support for assistance.